tattooing on a live model.
Remember to stretch the skin in the area you're working on. Go back and fill in any gaps that are missing color, but do not oversaturate the skin with color. You should still be able to see some skin through. This will help create more texture. Do not oversaturate the center of the nipple, where the highlight will be placed later. Slowly build the color and blend. I like to build the shadows slowly as opposed to starting too dark because you can always add more if needed. Now I'm going to shade the cast shadow with the same shadow 1 color. Let's add some Montgomery glands. Rock the needle back and forth to slowly build the color. The wrinkles should go around the nipple and do not have to be perfect. They can cross each other and be random. I'm adding a highlight on the top right of the nipple along the outline. This nipple turned out amazing.